So we're going to bring one knee forward, so the right leg, turn it out to the side, and then sitting back on that right hip. And from here, we're trying to get a 90-degree angle with the front leg, as well as a 90-degree bend in the back. Some of you, as you try to straighten up, will get compression here. Maybe the knee comes forward, maybe the knee goes back, or if you're able to, with blocks or cushions or even a rug, put it under that right hip so that you're a little higher off the floor. These knees are able to do 90 degrees a lot easier, and as I come forward, there's less crampiness into this hip. What we're aiming to do, hands either side of the front leg or the knee, you're pushing forward or letting the body come forward with a flat back, try not to curve, and then using that leg to push into the floor to come up. Dropping forward, pushing down to lift up. You're going to feel it in this right hip. The outer part of the hip, you may feel a little bit in the groin or the adductor, hamstring. Doing about 10. And then even as you come forward, push the knee into the floor, hold that for 10 seconds, and then let it soften, and you might be able to get the body further forward. Other side. Left leg. Each side's going to be a little bit different. Left knee comes down in front of me, right leg's trying to go back. I'm elevated this time. One side will always be a little bit easier for you. Whether you're on the floor or elevated, chest is coming over that front knee, letting the body come forward, using that leg pushing into the ground to help you get the lift up. Obviously, you're using your hands as well. Getting up and down around 10 times. And then just staying forward, push actively into the floor, holding, breathing. And just soften that. And then when you're ready, you're pushing back up.